Modern design, no spot down payment house and lot na malapit sa Manila at accessible pa ito sa Alabang at Laguna. Interested ka? Don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Located ito along main road ng General Trias, kaya naman very accessible to sa lahat. At very near lang ito sa Cavite Laguna Expressway. 2-story quadruplex house na may minimum lot size na 80 square meters, kaya naman may provision ka for 2 carport. At ang maganda dito, meron tayong space sa front, back, and sa side for expansion. Para mas mapalawak natin ang ating living, dining, at kitchen area. Nature-friendly, gated and secured community with complete amenities, kaya naman sigurado ma-enjoy ng family mo ang outdoor activities. Dahil marami tayong open spaces dito kay Minami Residences. You can reserve this unit for as low as 25,000 at may mga available pa tayong corner lot. Available ito via bank financing at in-house financing. Meron tayong floor area na 54 square meters at total na 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath, kaya naman livable na to upon turnover. Ito na nga nag-iisang Japanese-inspired community na quadruplex at may presyong townhouse. Dito lang yan sa General Trias, Cavite. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Send me direct message para masend ko sa inyo ang sample computation at para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!